What's going on, guys? Today we are installing the Zanardi Type S shift lever. In the NSX, we're replacing the OEM shift lever. You can see the threads on here pretty short, and then they start to get tapered through here, and it really prevents the shift knob from threading downward more. And if we do a direct comparison to the Zanardi, you can see how many more threads there are, and that it doesn't have that really beefy taper like halfway down. So that way we can mount the shift knob lower, and it will definitely feel a little bit different when we do the shifts. So we have to take apart this whole bracket here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that gotta come out, and then underneath here there will be the shift cables are bolted to the shift lever, so we're gonna unbolt that. So we have it removed from the car. There's just two 10mm nuts on the bottom holding it to the shift linkage, and then up top it's a bunch of 10mm bolts and nuts. So let's take it all apart and transfer it over. We have it all taken apart, all the pieces, got the Hi-Temp grease, and put it all back together. All right, we have it all transferred over now, all greased up with the Hi-Temp Urea Grease. Urea, I don't know how you say it. Anyways, it's all in, bolt it back down, time to put it back in the car. So we have it in the car. We just gotta bolt the linkages back together. Everything's a 10mm, super easy. And then we can just put it all back together, and then we'll put our new shift knob from Acura on. So we got the Acura retaining clip zip tied to the NSXR mesh boot from the inside. So now the retaining clip will not fall out of the boot, and that way we can just thread the shift knob onto the new Zanardi shifter. We have the whole trim back together. So we have the retaining ring, we got the shift knob, and we just got to get the charm ring and put it in between. But this one's really nice because the retaining clip literally just pops into the O-ring on the inside of the shift knob. It's all installed. Check it out with the NSXR boot and the red retaining collar and the turbo charm. It looks really good in the NSX. Fits really nice with the rest of the interior. I love it. Thank you, Acura.